Welcome into the CueCast. My name is Rob Helton. Today we're going to talk about doing impeachment clips, but taking it one step further and doing an impeachment clip around lines of testimony. Let me show you what I mean. When you are in trial, sometimes what will happen is you will have an impeachment clip called to you. What I mean by that is we'll go to page 15 here and notice starting at line 10, we have a question here. Then on lines 17 and 18, we have an objection and a go ahead and answer, and then the witness answers the question. Now, if this were going to be done as an impeachment on the fly, meaning that you have not created a designation from this came completely out of left field, you can run an impeachment clip around that objection. Rather than making two impeachment clips themselves, so you would run, for instance, 10 through 16, then when that was over, you would come down and do line 20. You don't have to do that. One of the things you can do is you can select the transcript text that you want to play. Then you can hold your control key and select the next lines you want to play, thus going around this objection. Now, I need to add a caveat here before we do this, that your synchronization must be in line. Your synchronization must be really good. So if you didn't score a 99% or better, you're going to want to go in and manually QC or quality control this transcript. However, let's go into a picture-in-picture and let me show you what this is going to do. If I were going to play this group that I've selected, thus leaving out two lines in the middle, here's how that would look when I press the presentation button.
I'm asking you based upon your nursing training and experience, when you would have looked at the triage blood pressure, noted to be 192 over 111, and then noting the blood pressure at 203 over 117, sometime later at 2152, what significance, if any, did your training tell you that meant, if anything?
I mean, just looking at it, I know it's gone up.
You see that? So what we did there was we were able to go around this portion that was the objection and the go ahead and answer. And it immediately played those two. Let me show you. If you have this one right here, let's take a look. Let's select these. Let's select this one. Now, you want to go around this objection. Rather than showing the video, you can also show just the text. So let's go ahead and show that again. You can drop down your publish button bird right here and hit publish as text only. And what you see is, although you can see the line numbers here, when we take a look at this, you can see these line numbers go 17, 9, 10, and then we skip 11 to 12. Well, that skip 11 to 12 obviously is going around this designation right here. And I can't really call it a designation because you haven't made a designation with it. This is all done live on the fly. Okay? So it's just the control key. Same thing here. If you wanted to take this, select it, go around the objection right here. Let's select this, holding down control, go around the objection, come back, and come back right here. Now this is going to flow in the way you want it to flow by going up here, choosing publish as text only. Take a look at that right there. Let's go ahead and put this up for you. Notice we skipped around everything that was an objection. So this is just a little tip and trick to help you along the way. It can be used for several different things and for several different reasons. And it's one of those things that's good for you to have. So thank you for watching the CueCast. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for being a part of this. We really appreciate it. Hope you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you next week.